All done.
Do I get a lollipop or something?
No lollipops, but everyone here, including one-year-old Kai, leaves with something vital.
The flu shot has been proven to be effective and safe in saving lives. That's a message that we need to get out.
Despite this year's crush of children lying in hospital beds, uptake of the flu vaccine remains similar to a regular season, 30% or lower.
People say it's not worthwhile to get an influenza vaccine at this point, but that couldn't be further from the truth.
Reasons for not getting the shot vary, from confusion and fatigue to indifference.
Year after year, people kind of think, even though it's a myth, that, it's all going to be fine.
Flu and pneumonia kills between 5,000 and 9,000 Canadians a year.
And you can assume that there's so much influenza there that all the cells have been destroyed.
Immunologist Dawn Bowdish says the virus is nastier than most people realize. It actually raises the risk of having a heart attack and stroke. The flu virus can also suppress the immune system, leaving people vulnerable to other viruses like pneumonia and bacterial infections such as strep A. So far, at least 3 children in Canada have died from strep A, including 2 deaths in Montreal this week.
Co-infections are also particularly problematic in children and make things extremely hard to treat.
She adds certain medications, including antibiotics, are currently in short supply, and soon vulnerable groups like children and grandparents will be gathering.
We all get together, we don't have our masks on, and so getting a flu shot this week will get you into that prime period of protection over the holiday season.
So influenza is predominantly an H3N2 season.
A strain that always hits children and the elderly particularly hard.
If there is any sort of silver lining to what we're seeing so far this year, is that the H3N2 strains that have been genetically sequenced are identical to the strain that's contained in the vaccine.
A poke that offers much needed protection that could save a life.
Yay! All done. See? That wasn't too bad.
Christine Burak, CBC News, Toronto.